Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Anthony. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it so that others can also benefit from it. This video I'm going to simply show you the correct way of how to import the point, the errors you are most likely to encounter in case you use the wrong method, and how to correct it. Let's get started. So these are the points that I have that I want to import into CSV 3D. So we'll go to CSV 3D. First thing, you go to Insert, Points from File, then import by clicking on this plus button. So this is the points that I'm going to use, points for tutorial. Click. So this is the error I've encountered. No point file format match found. Let's go back to the file. We'll make the corrections and try to import it and see if the error is fixed. So the first thing I'm going to do, move this heading. Also rename these point numbers. So of using PL1, PL2 and so on, I'll use this 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay, I'm done the editing. So turn to this one. Yes, I want to show another error just in a minute. So let's go back and put our points. Just follow the same procedure. You can see that we have edited the file, but you still get the same error. The reason being is, after doing your editing, you're supposed to exit file from Excel. So let me show you what I mean so that you can understand. So what I will do, I will close the file, don't save. Then I'll re-import the points. There's one thing that I did not show you. From the point file, we are supposed to keep in mind our format. I'm just opening the file to show you what I mean. So by format, I mean this, as you can see, you have different file format. Like for example, the first one is NZ, meaning easting, northing, and then the Z is the elevation. So from our file, we have the points. These are the northings, the eastings, the elevations, and the description. And we're supposed to set in mind when you're inserting it to 3D, you need to put the exact the exact format so that it can match. Otherwise, we keep getting the error. So let me close. Keep in your mind, our point file format is the point, the P, N, E, Z, D. Okay, let's go back to the 3D. So to look for the format for our points, which is a P, N, E, Z, D. So let's call it and then until it. This one is P, E, N, Z, no. P, E, N, Z, D, no. Yes, this is the file format, but remember CSV still has comma delimited, so we need to look for limited instead of space limited. So as you can see, this is the exact format that we have. So I will select it, then I'll import the points. As you can see now, it has worked. I just marked our import as green, and it says matches selected point file format. So it matches now the format that we have selected. Also here in the preview you can see point, northing, easting, point level, and then row description. So you can go ahead and click OK. So if you don't see, there are some cases when click OK, you don't see the points here. So what you do, you come to zoom extend. If you don't have this navigation bar, you can just type on the command here, ZE, and it will show you the same. So this is the correct way of importing points to Civil 3D. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to like, share the video. Thank you. See you in the next video.